Hello, this is Explore Hong Kong in Wan Chai now, Tai Yuen Street, showing to you what you can get in Hong Kong before the Lunar New Year. So Tai Yuen Street in Wan Chai and also Fuk Wing Street in Sham Shui Po will be the two famous places that you can get New Year decorations. And this shop here sells different kinds of New Year snacks. This is a typical one, sweetened candy fruit. And let's see what are some of the nice decorations this year. So the year of tiger is coming. So many of the decorations will have the tiger there. And fish means 年年有餘. And there are also different New Year banners. Let's have a look at the other side. So busy. So this few weekends, most people will come out to get the New Year flowers, dry seafood, and also New Year decorations. So you can either choose the big one or the small one to put it at home. Another tiger decoration, $48 with the word Fuk means good fortune. And here you can find different web banners. 出入平安, so you usually put it outside your home, near the door. And this one will be very important now, 身體健康, you have a good health. And you can see different stuffed toys here. So this looks like more like a dog instead of tiger. And red symbolizes happiness in Chinese culture. So most of them are in red color. So even if it is a mouse or dog, during the Lunar New Year, they also use the red color. And I think less people will put this kind of tiger at home. And then this one got so many good fortune. So if you can't place a real peach blossom or a huge tangerine that is too big at your home, you can choose this kind of stuffed plants. And you also need different things that are new during the Lunar New Year. So you get the new carpets. And even for the gods. So people worship different kinds of Chinese god at home, and they will also get the new decorations during the Lunar New Year. Very nice Chinese Lunar New Year themed cushion. And here you can see the god of wealth that brings you money. Apart from that, people also get flowers that you want them to bloom into the new year. So usually you will get it next week, a few days before the Lunar New Year. So some famous ones, popular ones, would be the chrysanthemum. And then Lily 八盒百年好合。And here you can find the daffodil 50 for 1. And orchid is popular among Hong Kong people during the Lunar New Year. So let's have a look at the other part of the street. Different red banners with different good blessing on it. Popular one would be 恭喜發財 and 身體健康. And here is showing to you the god of wealth, 財神到. And this is 恭喜發財. So this is what you say when you see anyone during the Lunar New Year, that you wish them luck and also growing wealth in the new year. And just now I said red means good luck and also good fortunes. So you also need a new set of underwear, red underwear, especially when you go to play mahjong with your friends during the Lunar New Year, so you can win a lot. A very good luck color. So here you can also see some Chinese costume that parents will buy it for their children to wear during the Lunar New Year's. And this is also the clothing that I wore when I was in primary school during cold winter. We call it 棉衲. And now, primary school students no longer wear this. They wear the goose down from Uniqlo instead. So this place in Wan Chai is called the Toy Street, that you can find different models here. So if you're looking for some models, this is the street that you should check out. But the numbers of toy shop in Toy Street is dropping. And let me show you one shop that looks really nice with all the New Year decorations. And here you can see someone called 大頭佛 that lead the lions during the lion dance. And different New Year banners. The daffodils here are cheaper, only $45 for one, and it says 合時水仙. That means it should bloom right before the Lunar New Year. Okay, so we hope you enjoyed today's video. Check out Tai Yuen Street in Wan Chai or Phúc Wing Street in Sham Shui Po for the New Year decorations. And that will be super busy next week, so remember to come here earlier. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Check out our Instagram for everything about Hong Kong and subscribe to our channel. Explore Hong Kong wishes you a great year ahead in the year of Tiger. 恭喜發財，身體健康，心想事成，萬事如意. See you soon. Bye bye.